Since my childhood, I have been intrigued by how tiny little things do complicated processes. And over the years, I became interested in microbes that inhabit different niches in our environment and perform very complicated functions. My research examines a diverse group of microbes, such as the microbes that remove toxic contaminants, enable plants to grow sustainably, and mediate the cycling of carbon and other nutrients. I'm really excited about the BioEPIC research building, as I'll have the opportunity to work with collaborators across multiple disciplines in the same location. Together, we will investigate environmental systems across multiple scales and have the opportunity to develop new tools to study these processes, which will lead to entirely new discoveries.